The MSR elves continue to be hard at work maintaining our trails and developing our exciting new disc golf course. What was once a treasured one-hole course has rapidly expanded into 9 exciting holes. If you are intrigued about what we've done with the drained field area thus far, but haven't been able to experience this amazing area of our property, the elves thought they'd bring the park to you. Come join us as we take you through a quick tour of what is commonly known as the drained field, where the disc golf course is nearing completion.
What was once an area overgrown with tall grass, 6-foot thistles, and those darn creeping sticker vines has been transformed into a beautiful park. The elves fondly refer to this area as MSR, Alpine Park. The air is fresh, the ambiance is that of serenity and solitude, with the sound of chirping birds and the forest breeze rustling through the trees. Surrounding the park is disc golf.
As our tour begins at the southern exposure, with a fully exposed, clear shot of a disc golf basket nearly a football field's length away. Perhaps the purpose of this first shot is to get you warmed up for the exhilarating quarter-mile hike up, and we really mean up, to the main course at the top of Bell Harkson Road, where the tee-off pad for the hole we call Sriracha is encountered.
Sriracha is an expression that comes from spice and excitement that adds brilliance to life. It is said that when a disc is released at the exact right moment at Sriracha, the spirit of MSR will bring magical powers to the disc as it hovers towards and into its intended target.
Next we come to Serendip. The name Serendip is loosely derived from the word Lenka, which means to shine. Serendip is indeed a shining star of our course. With the basket generously donated by Can and Jill, Serendip takes your disc onto a journey that descends or dips to the basket while providing a stunning view of the Dairy Creek Valley and the distant Bald Peak Mountain.
It takes courage to master the hole we call Athena. Strategize your shot using the wisdom and strength that brought you to this hole. With calculated skill, your disc will float through the narrow passage of thistles and other nasty hazards, improving your craft and bringing inspiration to your game. Athena is brought to us courtesy of George, Sally, and of course Father Zeus, who gave life to Athena.
Transcendence is ideal for those that have always dreamed of making an ace shot, also known as a hole-in-one. They now have that chance. The shot is short, but somewhat deceiving due to the elevation gain to the basket. Aim the disc too level, the shot will be much too short. Aim it too high, there's a chance the disc will return like a boomerang. But aim it just right, the disc will transcend to the basket.
As our journey continues, we find the next basket, yet to be named, located in a cove of trees. It is a straight shot to the basket, but with a poison oak hazard to the right. Beware of your step when approaching the basket, as apparently the deer and elk leave their treasures as they try their luck at the basket.
After shooting into a cove of trees, now it's time to toss a disc through a grove of trees. Launch the disc through the cool, dark hollows to reach the light at the end of the tunnel, so to speak.
Getting to the next basket involves throwing the disc over ancient stumps whose presence is left over from the trees that dominated the area years ago.
Approaching the last basket of the course, a nice hefty toss will launch the disc across the main expansive area of the park to the disc's final destination. Be wary of the blackberry bushes to the right. Are they a hazard or are they a delicious midsummer snack? You decide. Use them to re-energize you for another round of golf before descending back to civilization.
If this tour has sparked an interest in tossing a disc or two, and you're not up to making the adventurous trek up to the 9-hole course, be sure to experience the basket at Bella's Playground, graciously provided by Dawn and Michelle. This course with a twist is sure to inspire you to journey to the upper ends of MSR to experience not only disc golf, but the peace and serenity of the park that makes that trek oh so worthwhile.
Many thanks to Dawn and Michelle,
Ken and Jill,
George and Sally,
Vern, Sharon,
the meetup group,
and the elves for their generous donations and for believing in this project, which provides an additional exciting attraction for the membership and for our guests. Experience MSR.
Take a journey through the trails and discover your treasure.